Hello everyone. Okay, this lesson rather will teach you how to add a profile photo to your account. Okay, so you need to get into your account. I'm already there. So once you are in your account, you're going to be looking at what I'm looking at, similar to what I'm looking at. So you get all the courses that you've created. Okay, there will be a grid of all the courses, and then below it you see the courses that you've enrolled in. All right, so but basically what I want to do is I want to add a photo image. Okay, so you simply do that by just clicking on this thumbnail avatar here, and then that allows you to select uh, photos from your computer or from your mobile phone, depending on what kind of device you are using. All right, so it's as simple as that. So my photo image has been added. All right, so try it out. Okay.